How to delete a blog in Tumblr. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a blog in Tumblr. In order to do so, first of all, you will need to open your Tumblr application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you'll be able to locate the profile icon. Tap on this profile icon and then in the space at the top left, you'll be able to see your profile. Simply tap on it and select the blog you would like to delete. Once after selecting it, now tap on the gear icon or the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. By doing so, in this page, you will need to scroll down until you find this option, delete this Tumblr. Simply select this option and then you will need to enter your password in order to delete this blog. Tap on the password field and type in your password. After entering the password, you can also tap on the I button at the right side in order to check if you have correctly entered it or not. Now tap on this delete option right here. After doing that, wait for a moment and then you will see you have successfully deleted your blog on Tumblr. Now when you tap on the profile name at the top left corner of your screen, there you won't be able to see the vlog. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete a vlog on Tumblr. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.